Welcome everybody to Carolina Diggers. My name is Richard. On this episode, we're in Orange, Virginia, near Mine Run. We're going to be doing some detecting on a Civil War skirmish. Not really a battlefield, I guess. They call it the battle that never was, whatever that means. So I guess they pretended to be big and bad and then decided to just call it quits and go home. I don't know. It probably didn't go down like that. But anyway, hopefully we'll find something good. If not, we had fun in the process, and that's all that matters. All right, let's see what everybody's found, see what everybody's dug, and we'll be right back. It's down that way on the other side.
Oh.
Right over there. Sweet!
Right where you're standing.
I think I feel another one right here.
There it is.
All right. Get down in there so we can see it.
My first.
That is all right. Got something to take back to Canada.
You bet.
That's awesome.
We will find out. Something down there. It ain't aluminum. It's iron. Shell fragment.
Look at there.
No, it ain't. It ain't a shell fragment. It's flat, but it was curved. Piece of farm equipment. Pretty thick though, ain't it?
That's what I'm saying. That's not a part of something. Well, Bob said something about they were firing 4-inch guns. So that might be what a shield to it.
No, I don't think so. It ain't curved, it's flat.
Oh yeah. That's all right.
Yeah, probably iron, but I don't know if squeak is interesting.
Oh, 81.
Yeah, dig it. Sounds smallish.
I know what that is. That's the rake from the tractor. I had one with the end on it.
Why didn't you dig that, Steve? Because it's iron?
I'm pretty sure it's iron.
Yeah.
But if I wasn't so tired, I'd have dug it.
It's a big piece of iron.
Give it a shot, buddy.
Right, boom.
It's not that big though.
Let me borrow your shovel.
We can do it.
Probably pop it out of here easier.
Oh yeah, that thing's rough. The little leash. It doesn't have an edge on it. It's got something like an edge, but it's all rounded off and smooth. This being a high point, it's probably a good area.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
I know Norbert over there, I just videoed him and he said I think he got a Williams cleaner right over where he's at.
I don't know what's down here, but it's deep. Go ahead and see what you think.
Little pieces of down there,
Okay, that's cool.
but it's some colonial brass.
Right.
And found this in the field. That's a piece of lead I found in the field, and I found those two bullets down in the
That's
river.
all right. That's all right. I like that one. That one's nice.
Yeah, that one's real nice.
That one got hit. You know that one was fired.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody was to get you in there, and oh yeah, beautiful.
So yeah, I'm happy with them. Real happy.
I gotta figure out where it is now. I'm probably digging up.
What did it ring up as? I know when I was hitting 75s, they were cans.
This is pretty deep, so. I'm so tired. It's in 80, 83.
80 and 83 in the creek for me was a can, but I don't know what it would read up here.
It's jumping all over the place.
When you get it over the hole where it's the strongest, bounce it up and down. Just real fast.
74, 72, 75.
Can.
His dad worked on the Beano Railroad, and he had an old caboose stove. And his daughter was like, well, I don't know if we
No, I ain't got it. No, I only saw it. Hey, Beau, make a muscle. Wimp. I tell you, you gotta have with some guys that are tough and some guys that are not so
Would you
tough.
like a slug?
Is he going to get his stag?
Would you like a slug?
That was it?
That was it.
Oh, was it an intro to it?
Well, hang on. I'll do one more. I usually do two or
Fine.
three.
What do you want to do? I don't
All right.
care.
All right.
Oh, they know it's evening, don't they?
Oh, yeah. Hopefully. Well, they might think it's morning.
That's true.